Right here in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a 5,000 free prop firm account that you can start trading with. Alright, and I want you to know that this prop firm account, you can trade with it, and if you meet with their requirements, you'll be able to withdraw from it. Alright, there are no hidden rules, there are nothing like hidden rules in this particular prop firm. Right, so as you can see here on the screen, I've told my guys to get ready for the particular opportunity, and if you also want to get notified before I even start to post the video on YouTube, all you just have to do is to join my Telegram channel, and the link to do that will be in the description or the comment section. Alright, click on it and it's directed to this particular Telegram channel right here. Join and you'll keep getting updates. As you can see, we have a lot of updates going on right here on this particular Telegram channel that is not even on my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you don't want to be missing out, then do well to make sure you are in my Telegram channel. Alright, so like I said, I'll be showing you how you can get a 5,000 free prop firm account that you can start trading with, and if you meet with their requirements, you'll be able to withdraw from this particular prop firm. Alright, but before I continue, I would like to make a big shout out to this guy right here. Alright, it was the one that shared it with me. He was one that shared this particular prop firm account with me, and he told me to make a video concerning so that I can be able to share it with my guys. So big shout out to him. Thank you so very much for reaching out. If you guys have updates for me to share with the platform, you can share them with me. Alright, I'll be very happy to share it with the guys on Telegram platform. Alright, thank you so very much for sharing this particular 5k prop firm account with him. I appreciate you a lot. Alright, so moving on, to get the link to this particular prop firm account will be in the description. Click on it and it's going to direct you to their website. Alright, so this is your platform right here. Alright, this is your platform. If you have an account with them, you can just log in. Alright, and if you don't, you just have to create an account with them. Alright, so you just have to create an account with them. So I have an account with them already, where they gave me a 1,000 free prop firm account, but right here they are offering the 5,000 free prop firm account, and I will show you how you can get it in this video. Alright, so right here you just have to register an account with them, input every single details they are requesting, and after inputting it, then you can continue to opening a trading account with them by logging in. Alright, and I will show you right here after I finish creating an account with them. Just stick with me so that you won't miss out. Alright, so after inputting all of this, all you just have to do is to click on open a trading account. Alright, so as you can see right here, I've finished creating an account with them, so I just have to proceed to the next step. Alright, so you click on authorization, and after clicking on it, it's going to direct you to this place right here. Alright, so you can just choose to install their application. Alright, click on install. Alright, for easy access to their platform. Alright, so next thing is to create an account with them. But before then, let me quickly show you how you can get this 5k prop firm account. Just click on this menu button showing at the top right here, click on it, and you scroll down to where you find prop trading right here, and you click on create new. Alright, click on create new, and you wait patiently for it to load. Alright, if it's not loading, then click on open in a new tab. Alright, open in a new tab, and you go straight to the new tab that just opened. Alright, so after getting to the new tab, you wait patiently for it to load, and after loading, you scroll down until you find the one that is free. Right, as you can see, this is 5,000 prop firm accounts, but we are paying $29 for this, but that's not what we are looking for. Just keep on scrolling until you find the one for $0. Alright, keep scrolling down. Alright, there are many offers in this particular prop firm are offering. Just keep scrolling down until you find the one you are looking for. Alright, so you just have to keep scrolling. But before I see it, then if this is your first time of coming across any of my videos, alright, do well to make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you're also in my Telegram channel so that you won't be missing out when I drop updates on how you can make money online. As you can see right here, this is it. As you can see, they are still offering the 1k prop firm account, and they are offering the 5k prop firm account. Alright, so you can just select anyone you want. Alright, so click on select. Alright, and this is the rules right here. 500 is the profit target, $500. Minimum days trading days is 3 days, and the maximum days is 365 days. And the maximum loss you can make from this 5,000 prop firm is 200. Alright, 200. Alright, so to get it, just scroll up right here and click on pay. Alright, click on pay, and you wait patiently for it. As you can see, account created successfully. So you can choose to go to account and start trading. So you can choose to go to terminal right here and start trading with this particular prop firm account. Alright, as you've gotten your 5k prop firm account, as you can see right here, it is right here already, and I can start trading with it. Alright, so if you want to be able to trade well on their platform, all you just have to do is to install their app, just like I told you. After installing their app, then you can start trading on their platform. All right, so if you want more information about this particular platform, you can just contact their customer support and ask whatever question you have for them. All right, so this is about this particular bonus. This is about this particular platform. All right, so if you know you are blessed by this video, you have been able to get it. All right, do it to subscribe and hit the like button, and also comment where you are watching from. Thank you so very much for watching, and have a nice day.